Hey guys, reporting live from my room. I'm about to go meet my cousin at the beach. It's her birthday today, so we're about to turn up a little bit. So yeah, I'm running late per usual, so let me get in the car and go. Alright guys, I am on my way back home from the beach. It was fun. It's hot outside, like hot as hell, and it beat me down, so I'm probably just gonna go home and take a nap and then see what later on is looking like. I need to clean up a little bit, get organized and stuff, and then I'll see what later on is looking like. So I'm so sweaty, but it looked like a glow on the camera. In real life it looked like sweat. So yeah, I guess I'll just come back to you guys once I am getting ready to head out for whatever I'm gonna do later. I think my cousin's gonna do a dinner and then maybe go out, so yeah, I'll be back then. I need to get a card for good thing because me holding this isn't safe. My mom gonna be mad seeing this, me holding my camera while I'm driving, but she'll be okay. Alright guys, so this is what I look like. Nothing crazy. We're going to this place called Blackbird. I have on some little short heels. And I wish these had pockets, but they don't. So yeah, I'm about to head out and meet my cousin at Blackbird. And I don't know if I'm gonna bring my camera, but we'll see. Alright guys, I'm leaving for a bye. It's my brother, guys. You know you're gonna be in my vlog, right?
I'm trying to keep it together. I'm trying to keep it together.
I'm using my iPhone right now to vlog. I'm on my way to this place called The Wharf, Miami. I'm meeting Brittany there and some of her dance friends. And Brittany's a Miami Heat dancer, if you don't know. You guys wouldn't know that, but yeah. So I'm meeting them there for a little Sunday fun day action, and then we might go watch the game somewhere after. So yeah.
Fucking put a bitch in the sock. You a rich watch and a bitch in the sock. What? Fuck it. Who
was that by?
Me.
Bad Baby.
I remixed it because I don't know the word. It's so close. I hope we're in it. I'll be right with you. Okay.
You scared, Mama? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Come.
All right, we gotta be with Dad.
Okay.
I bet you have to let go.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. I'm just listening.
Daddy, gotta let her go.
Yeah, yeah. We don't want you to get that.
Yeah.
Everybody's right there.
Hey, good girl.
Just keep talking.
Hey, they're good, darling.
Go comfort your mama. All right.
You nervous? Why your eyes getting so red?
Cause she pulling on the collar.
I'm sorry, sweet girl. Because I know. Sad lady. Come here, just gotta look at your gums. Good job. You can even feel it. So brave.
Good girl.
Good job. Come here, baby girl. We can
What
get
are
belly
you-
rubs first. Is that the deal? Belly rubs?
Oh. Now she's trying to escape.
You're a mess.
Yeah, she is.
Always.
Come on.
Samantha.
Samantha, stop. 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 Stop.
Someone is a daddy's girl. I feel like. Can I take a listen?
I'm not gonna do nothing. Come. It's okay.
It's okay.
Samantha. Samantha. Now, you never did this. Stop. Don't embarrass me now.
So I don't want any reaction.
I don't feel nothing.
She got patted. Yay!
That's it, Mama. Alright guys, I'm back from taking the puppies to go get their shots, and I got a package that I need to open up that I got from Fashion Nova. Actually, I bought it. They didn't send it to me. And I need to open up this stuff and try them on and put them in my closet. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got from there, just in case anyone is interested. So I got these boyfriend jeans, distressed. They're cute. They actually look a bit big though. Cute, cute, cute. And I got these cargo shorts that are also pretty cute. Got this off the shoulder top. Just a basic black bodysuit. I don't like all these ridges on it, but whatever. I got this jumper. It's like a wide leg jumpsuit, which I think is gonna be pretty cute. It has like the little detailing at the shoulders, the straps. I got this super oversized jacket, which is way bigger than I thought it was. It looked like a dress, but yeah. Got this orange pencil skirt. All I wear is black, so I thought it would be cute to get something with a little bit of color. They only had a medium, and I thought it would be okay, but it's looking pretty big right now. But we will see. I got these mom jeans. They're like ankle length. And then I got this bodysuit that says okay bye. I don't know why, child, but yeah. So that's it for this little mini haul. I also got this cute little baby doll tee. I've been wanting one of these like ringer tees with the color around it. A little crop action. Alright y'all, that is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My vlogs aren't very long just because my first instinct isn't to like pull out my camera when I'm doing something, so sometimes I miss a lot of footage. But I don't think super long ones are like my vibe anyway. I kind of want to do a general overview of, you know, what my weekend was like, so you guys can get a little chunk of what my life is like. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a post, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.
Untitled